What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the frequent Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man. Give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's get right into it, man. I got an early pair for y'all, man. We've been waiting on these to come back since 2012, I believe was the last release, 2012. We got them, bro. We got them. They coming back this year, 2023. We seen mock-ups last year, and now it's real, bro. These joints drop next month in April, if I'm not mistaken, and it's one of the hottest shoes of the year for sure. People been wanting these joints. You seen how good the Red Thunders did. This is the original Thunder pair. But here we go, man. Let's get into it. Got a special box here, man. You can feel these speckles. This texture box has the Flight in white, that Jumpman on there in yellow. And the tag on these joints read Air Jordan 4 Retro Black, White, and Tour Yellow, man. It's a size 10.5, not my size. But I got them for the review for y'all, man. Shout out my guy Kuko for the early pairs, bro. Y'all tap in if y'all need anything early. If y'all need it, he got it, man. Inside of the box, got a yellow box top. The regular old Jordan 4 paper with the speckle print. And let's get into the shoes, man. That's what we've been waiting for. Let's get it. Here we have the Air Jordan 4, man, the original Thunder colorway. We finally got them back, bro. People been asking about these for years. We got Red Thunders last year. We got Lightnings last year, or maybe even 2 years ago we got Lightnings. And now we got the original Yellow Thunders, bro. These joints are clean. I'm not gonna lie to you. These joints are clean. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Now let's start with this left shoe, man. It's laced in an all black nubuck all across the upper, bro. Really, really nice, really soft. No flaws, anything like that. The quality on this joint looks pretty good. I know the men's pairs usually have pretty decent quality. It's the grade school that always runs into issues, but this is a really good pair, bro. This is a really good pair. So if all the pairs are like this, we'll be in good shape, man. But like I said, it has that black nubuck all the way across the upper. Has the yellow hits on the eye stays. Has the yellow underneath this black cage right here. On the back tab, that does have the white Jumpman. I wish they would have threw Nike Air, but I know this shoe released with Jumpman on it the first time, so I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at all, bro. Getting to that tongue, man, it has the white Jumpman and a yellow Flight. It looks really good. Comes with black laces, factory installed. Getting to that midsole, man, you see the black rubber hits across the front and the side of the midsole. You have the yellow hit here and yellow all the way across the back. Air bubble there, bro. On the outsole, we got the black and yellow outsole with the yellow hit here, white Jumpman going underneath, bro. And these joints are solid, bro. I can't wait to go ahead and add these joints to the collection. Jordan 4s have been going crazy, of course. And with all the Jordan 4 hype going on, man, it's only right that Jordan brand gives us a classic colorway rather than throwing out all of these new colorways that they've been giving us lately. I know a lot of people like the new stuff, like the militaries and the Midnight Navies. Those are good shoes. But Jordan brand definitely needs to sprinkle in a couple of more of the OGs. Still need military blues and things like that, bro. But I'm happy. This is a good start. This is a good start. The Thunder 4 is a good start for us to start getting back into not necessarily an original colorway, but definitely an older model that a lot of people like, and it's a really good shoe for sure. Now, like I said earlier, man, the quality on these joints is really good, bro. No stitching flaws, anything like that. You see smooth stitching going along here. Going along all the lines, bro. Pretty smooth stitching, even across the back, man. No real glue stains or extra glue going anywhere by the heel tab. No glue marks across the front of the shoe either. That's usually where we see a lot of the glue stains right here, where they're bonding the shoe together with the outsole. But you don't get any of that on this pair, bro. And I hope all the pairs look like this, but quality looks good, bro. Really, really nice, clean shoe. You know you're gonna get that the classic Jordan Black nubuck. Of course, that may look ashy a little bit after certain wears, but you just kind of can't get around that unless you're using black leather. If you're gonna use suede and nubuck, you kind of can't get around the ashy look that comes with the wear of a shoe like this. But fresh out the box, man, these joints are clean. These joints are super dope, for sure. Now, the insole of this shoe is black, and it has a white Jumpman there. And on the back of the tongue, it does have the Air Jordan upside down like it always does, but this time they used a black tag with white writing. On the 2012 pair, they had a white tag with black writing. That's one small switch up, but other than that, everything's pretty much the same. This one may be just slightly darker on the yellow on the midsole. I think the upper is pretty much the same color, but I think the midsole may be just slightly a little darker than the original pair, but nothing that's gonna deter people away from buying this joint, bro. It's gonna be a good shoe, definitely gonna sell out. And a lot of people want this shoe, bro. You'll see a lot of people actually wearing this, not only reselling it, not only getting it to make a little money. A lot of people are gonna get this shoe specifically to wear for sure. Now, when these joints release, man, it will be 210 bucks plus tax. I can see resale initially going for like 280, maybe right around 300, depending on how many pairs they do. But I don't think these will resell as well as the Red Thunder pair. Just because that's a black and red shoe, man. It's more of a classic color style for Jordan and for sneakerhead fans. So I think this one will take a little time to climb up in price, just with it being a black and yellow shoe. Even though it is clean, even though a lot of people want these, I don't think the resale will be that crazy. I think it'll take a little time for these joints to climb to where the Red Thunders climbed in their same respective time frames. But definitely just do your footwork, bro. These will be at all your stores, all your Foot Locker, Foot Actions, your Shoe Palaces, City Gears, Dick's Sporting Goods. Everyone will have this shoe, so you'll definitely have a chance to go ahead and grab these joints, bro. Just got to enter your raffles, bro. I don't think there'll be many stores doing first come, first serve on these. They are Jordan 4, man. They're gonna raffle these joints for sure. So yeah, just put your footwork in. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to grab a pair. This is gonna be a general release. I know they won't be super crazy limited. I don't know how many pairs they're doing, but they won't be crazy limited. And I can just tell that by the number of early pairs that are out here. There's like a lot of early pairs of this shoe so far. But it is highly sought after. It will sell out. Don't get me wrong. It will sell out. But if you do your footwork, man, use your apps, you feel me, do all your raffles, bro, I think you'll do pretty good when this shoe officially drops. Now, this shoe is scheduled to release in May, like beginning of May. So with it being an early pair, the market is around 400 to 460 bucks. It's a little early, man, so you can expect prices to be up there. I personally wouldn't pay it. I don't think it's worth it just to have an early pair. I mean, if you got the money to blow, go ahead and do it, but market is up there right now. Market is around 450 right now, like a month and a half early still. But when they do release, man, prices will come down to the normal Jordan 4 resale range, that 280 to 320 range. I don't think these will do anything too crazy, but you have some time before these joints drop. But I just want to give you guys an early look at them, just so you can just go ahead and set your calendars, man. Get your money right. Go ahead and get your mind right, man. If you do your raffles and things like that, you'll be able to grab a pair for sure. But it's definitely a clean shoe, bro. Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these. What's the price that you're willing to pay? Are you an early pair guy? Are you paying that 450 bucks for this Yellow Thunder 4? Or are you gonna wait until release time and try to get them for retail, that 220 range, that 230 range with retail and tax, man? Y'all let me know how you guys are feeling about these down below. Now, getting into the shoe one last time, man, like I said earlier, it does have that black nubuck, smooth all the way around, man. Has the yellow hits on the eye stay, the yellow behind that black net, yellow behind the net on the tongue as well, man. Yellow and black on that midsole, yellow all the way around the back. Got the white Jumpman hit on that back heel tab, yellow on the tongue, black Jordan's tag on the inside with white writing, black and yellow outsole with that white Jumpman, bro. These joints are smooth, bro. I can't lie to you. These joints are a lot better in person. In my opinion, this is better than the Red Thunder. Those were just simply kind of too red for me, if that makes sense. This yellow hits a lot better, but I still think these won't resell as good as the Red Thunder because it's a black and red shoe, bro. Everyone loves a good black and red shoe, especially Jordan heads, man. Nike knew what they were doing by dropping that black and red for sure. But this one, to me, this one is the one, bro. This Yellow Thunder 4 is super hard, bro. We need to go ahead and get those. The Tour Yellow, the white joints. Gave us lightnings, they gave us these. Go ahead and drop the white Tour Yellow joints. And let's get it really popping, Jordan, man. Let's drop some heat, man. Let's do it. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this yellow Jordan Thunder 4. It releases in May, man. You got about a month and a half left before they officially hit the shelves, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these. Are you looking to grab them? Are you copping, dropping, you flipping it? Let me know your honest thoughts and opinions, bro. Let me know how you guys are feeling about this joint. But until next time on the next video, we got Yellow Thunder 4s, man. Early review. Peace.